Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nama Peggy Syarani. I'm from class A level 2. Here I am talking about the field of pharmaceutical chemistry. 1. Natural product. Natural products are semi-cell compound or substance product from living organisms. They can be found in nature and usually have biological and pharmacological activity for us in pharmaceutical drug discovery and drug design. A natural product can be considered as such even for compound made from semi-cell synthesis or both semi-synthetic and total synthesis, and have played a strong role in the development of the organic chemistry by providing challenging synthesis targets. Natural products have also been expanded for commercial purpose to refer to cosmetic, dietary supplement, and food that are produced from natural source without adding artificial ingredients. There are many natural products in Indonesia. Indonesia has many natural products. Impression of the profession of natural product, namely being able to know the professions that work in the field of natural product. 2. Analytical chemistry, a branch of chemistry that focuses on the analysis of material samples for their content so that it is known how their chemical composition, structure, and function are. In Indonesia, there are also analytical chemists working in the pharmaceutical industry. The impression of the analytical chemistry profession is that I know the medical science development profession in the pharmaceutical industry. 3. Bioengineering. Bioengineering is a discipline that applies engineering principles of design and analysis to biological systems and biomedical technologies. Examples of bioengineering research include bacteria engineered to produce semi-cell, new medical imaging technology, portable disease diagnostics device, and tissue engineered organs. In Indonesia, it's not the same. Due to the lack of development of biological system, the impression of this profession is knowing that the profession that works in the field of biological system. 4. Clinician. Clinician is the healthcare professional who works as a caregiver of a patient in hospital, skilled nursing facility, clinic, or patient home. Clinician work directly with patients rather than in a laboratory or as a research. A clinician may diagnose, treat, and otherwise care for patients. For example, clinical pharmacist, licensed clinical social work or LCSY, nurse practitioners, occupational therapists, speech language pathologists, physiotherapists, and can be considered clinical. A main function of a clinician is to manage a sick person in order to cure the effect of their illness. The clinical can also consider the impact of illness upon the patient and his or her family, as well as other social factors. In Indonesia, there are many who run this profession. The impression of the profession is that it is very helpful for patients who are sick. 5. Physician or American English, medical practitioner or Commonwealth English. Medical doctor or simply doctor is a professional who practices medicine, which is concerned with promoting, maintaining, or restoring health. Through the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental impairment. Physicians may focus their practice on certain disease categories, types of patient, and method of treatment, known as specialists, or they may assume responsibility for the provision of continuing and comprehensive medical care to individuals, families, and communities, known as general practice. In Indonesia, there are many who run this profession. The impression of this profession is that it is very helpful for patients who are sick. Toxicology is the study of behavior and effect harm from substance to organisms or living things. In toxicology, studied about the symptoms, mechanisms, ways, detoxification, and detection of poisoning in the system biological living things. Very toxicology useful for predicting or assessing consequences relating to the toxic hazard of a substance to humans and the environment. In Indonesia, it is the same. It is absolutely necessary in the pharmaceutical industry so that drug products do not experience toxicology in patients who consume them. The impression from this profession is that toxicology is very important for the pharmaceutical industry so that the product do not cause toxic effect. 7. Theoretical chemistry. Theoretical chemistry is the examination of the structural and dynamic properties of molecules and molecular material using the tools of quantum chemistry, equilibrium and non-equilibrium, statistical mechanics, and dynamic molecular orbital calculation applied to organic and inorganic molecules, solids, and surface have illuminated profound connection between inorganic and organic chemistry and solid state physics. In Indonesia, it is not the same because in Indonesia no other chemistry has been developed. one of which is theoretical chemistry. The impression of this profession is knowing the growing profession in the field of theoretical chemistry. 8. Medicinal chemist. A medicinal or pharmaceutical chemist researches and creates chemical compound for us as drugs. By applying chemical research techniques to isolate natural healing agents or develop artificial ones, their chemists play a vital role in the pharmaceutical industry. This is also the case in Indonesia, because there are several pharmaceutical industries that have as medicine chemists with the aim of research and making chemical compound to the as medicine. The impression of the profession is that you can know the profession of the medicine chemist in several pharmaceutical industry. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.